Hey everybody, welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom. We're breaking down 5 common habits that could be holding you back financially and giving you actionable strategies to fix them starting right now. Let's talk about impulse buying. That rush you get when you buy something new, it's a real feeling, right? But it's fleeting. And what are you left with? Regret and a dent in your bank account. A lot of times, impulse buying stems from FOMO. You see everyone on social media with the latest gadgets, and you don't want to be left behind. Marketers know these psychological triggers and use them to make us spend more. So how do you combat this? Implement the 30-day rule. See something you need that isn't an absolute essential? Put it on a list and wait 30 days. Chances are, after that 30 days, the initial urge to buy will have faded. Remember, true financial freedom comes from being in control of your spending. So the next time you feel that impulse buy creeping up, ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just being influenced to want it? Let's talk about the latte factor. This is about those small, seemingly insignificant expenses that can add up to huge amounts over time. $5 here, $10 there. It doesn't seem like much in the moment, right? But think about it this way. Spending $5 a day on coffee adds up to $150 a month. Imagine if you invested that $150 a month for 10 years at a 7% return. Over $21,000. That's the power of compound interest. Track your spending for a week, or even just a few days. Once you have a clear picture, you can start making small changes. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices about your spending. Set a budget for those small indulgences and find that balance between enjoying life and setting yourself up for financial success. Let's talk about savings and investments. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. That's because of compound interest, interest earned on interest. So the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Life happens. You've got bills to pay, unexpected expenses pop up. But prioritize saving. Make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Treat it like any other essential expense. Even small amounts add up over time, especially with compound growth. Start with whatever you can, even if it's just $20 or $50 a month. The important thing is to build that habit of saving consistently. Investing isn't as complicated as you might think. Do your research, find an investment strategy that aligns with your goals, and start investing. Nobody likes paying bills, but ignoring them? That's a recipe for financial disaster. Putting off those credit card bills, loan payments, or even utility bills can lead to a mountain of debt and damage your credit score. And a bad credit score can haunt you for years. The solution? Get organized and take control of your finances. Set up automatic payments for your bills to avoid late fees. If you're worried about overdraft fees, set up payment reminders. If you're struggling to make ends meet, reach out to your creditors to create a payment plan that fits your budget. Let's talk about financial literacy, because knowledge is power. Financial literacy is about understanding how money works and making informed financial decisions. The good news is, it's never too late to learn. There are so many resources available today to help you boost your financial IQ. Pick one aspect of personal finance you want to learn more about and dive in. Find a financial mentor for guidance and support. Remember, financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. That's it for today's video on the 5 habits draining your bank account. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, not a race. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep crushing your financial goals. I'll see you in the next one.